Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1932 Ford Tudor. Pretty cool car. A lot of these cars were all chopped up and made into hot rods back in the day, but it's nice to see a survivor still around. Got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
Good. Kind of a cool story about this one, huh?
Yes, this car has been in the family for at least 20 years, I would say. And my wife's cousin owned the car
Yeah.
and never refurbished it.
Wow.
But then a couple of years go by and they decide to get rid of it. And
Yeah.
they bought a couple of old cars in the interim. And then about 5-6 years later, they decide, gee, we'd really like to have a 32 Ford again. So what they did, they looked in the trade papers and saw one for sale in the area. And lo and behold, it winds up being theirs.
It was the same exact car
Same
that they
car,
sold?
Never touched, nothing done.
Oh my God.
So when that happened, they went to DMV and they got the license plate Deja
Vu
Vu
32
because I've been there before.
Huh. Very
They
cool.
totally redid everything.
Yeah.
The engine has a 33 engine in it instead of a 32.
Okay.
But everything else is, standard.
Beautiful. Very correct too. It's a gorgeous shape. It runs really nice too. You guys had it out at the parade earlier?
We had it at the Memorial Day parade in Belmore.
That was recent.
Yeah, so this is our baby, and restored as much as it can to original shape.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Runs really nice too, huh?
Yes, it does. It starts real well.
I love what you did with the interior.
Oh yeah, did the interior up in the style that it was when it was, brand new.
Wow. You found all the original style material. It has a very special feel to it too. Beautifully done. Love the old school turn dash.
Oh yes.
47,303, is that the original miles?
Yes.
Wow. Carpet's done too. Love the old school beveled rear view mirror. It's pretty neat.
You have the windshield that pops out. It's for ventilation.
Yeah, very cool. Beautifully done. I love the cool pull handles for getting in and out.
And
That's
this
all
was the
done
original
correctly.
Flathead 8.
Oh, what are these pillows for?
Those are footrests.
Footrest. Very cool. I've never seen those before. And the ashtray. Very neat. Gorgeous. Nice headliner. I don't think I've ever seen one so nice. Even the simulated wood on the doors and stuff are just gorgeous. That's all hand painted back in the day. Tires look fairly new too.
Oh yeah. I love the spoked wheels.
Right, isn't that so cool? That's how they did it. The hand-painted stripe down the side. It's beautiful.
And the gas tank almost takes 12 gallons. I think it's 11.7 gallons.
Oh, and you got a lock on it too, huh?
Yeah.
That's an option. Pretty cool. Love how the door's shut. Beautiful. Such craftsmanship in these old cars. Such style too, Love the little shade in the back.
Yes.
Isn't that neat? That's how it was. Very cool. Even the door handles and everything are beautiful, like jewelry. The Burgundy. So pretty. Can you fire it up?
Sure, absolutely.
We also have new handles as well. It's got another grill, another bumper, some other stuff. So we've got the Flathead motor, single downdraft carburetor, mechanical fuel pump. Looks like he has some work done on steering column. Runs really nice. Oh, vinyl roof. I love the originality of this car. So cool, right?
Yeah.
You know, every car these days are just like plastic. What'd you say?
It's so simple, but it's elegant.
Right? Pretty. Probably took about 200 still photos today. Got some extra parts too in a box right here. I'll photograph these too. This is like a choke pull. I'm not even sure what this is. Oh. Something for the gas gauge. Extra rearview mirror. Little bug thing for the cowl. Same miscellaneous. Oh, here's the poles I was telling you about. These are a little pitted. You got new ones there, which is nice. Some other stuff. Some condensers. Some sort of relay. Another pole. I think there's 4. Yeah, 4 total. Brand new. Some bob brakes. So, and we have tons and tons of receipts and original documentation and all that as well. I'll photograph all that stuff. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.